officially, we should have started September 7th, but we have made some changes in light of what is happening with the pandemic. We want to make sure that you are safe. So what we have done is to delay the start of the school year. And I know some of you really want to go back. You miss your friends. And we understand that, but safety comes first.
While students anxiously wait for the grand reopening of school, the Ministry of Education will be utilizing the extra time to ensure they are actually prepared to resume formal learning, even as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to rage. First on the ministry's agenda is a series of psychosocial sessions for students.
Yes, the Ministry of Education will be rolling out a series of psychosocial sessions. That big word, it's just really a session with somebody that has the skill set to help you to deal with the anxiety and the fear that you're feeling right now. What is happening? Why we can't go to school? I want to go to school. Somebody will have you express those kind of thoughts and help you to talk about ways you can cope instead of being fearful. How else can you treat with that fear? How can you utilize your time when you feel nervous? How you can breathe? How you can correct each other and help each other to practice the physical distancing, and also how to wash your hands and all of that.
These informative psychosocial sessions will be conducted online by trained professionals.
Yes, some persons will be engaged on the virtual space in empowerment and psychosocial counseling sessions, while in extreme cases, right, based on what you're feeling, our social workers, our guidance counselors, our health and family life educators will make themselves available, observing, of course, the physical distancing. If they have to see you based on what is happening, we will make ourselves available. For those primary schools that you may say to us, but we don't have a guidance counselor, the Ministry of Education is working with your principals to make sure that guidance counselors and social workers are available.
Next on the ministry's checklist is to ensure that new students participate in the orientation exercises being conducted by their schools.
Some of your principals, boys and girls, will have you go through orientation sessions in the month of September. So yes, they will tell you the date and time that you're asked to log on. And if it is that we can't get the materials to you online, your principals will work out other opportunities where things will be delivered to you, where some drop boxes will be created, where your parents will be given a schedule to come and pick up some of these things so you can engage.
Continuing its mandate to bridge the digital divide facing some students, steps are also being taken to provide tablets to all in need.
We are providing tablets for those students who are on PATH, and we have heard the cry of a number of our parents to say, I may not be on PATH, my children may not be beneficiaries, but I still need some help. We are working on that too. So we will be discussing with our principals to see how we can assist some of those persons.
In the meantime, the ministry is putting together an educational video for all the students who will be receiving the tablets.
Boys and girls, you will soon get a video. We're going to put a video production out for you that will train you and orientate you as to how you use your tablets, how you are to protect your tablets. And of course, the video will also help you to stay safe. We're going to be having a video helping you to get yourself prepared for school, helping you to help each other social distance, how to wash your hands, all of that we are putting together for you.